3D printing just hit a turning point, and most people don't even realize it yet. The machines on this list aren't just faster or slightly better, they're changing what you can realistically create from your desk. From ultra-detailed resin models to high-speed multicolor production, these are the printers that actually deliver, not just on paper, but in real-world use. So whether you're just getting started or upgrading to something more serious, this list breaks down the best 3D printers you can buy right now, based on performance, features, and real value. Let's get straight into it. Starting strong, Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra. The Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra is what happens when resin printing gets pushed to its absolute limit. This machine is built for creators who care about the smallest details. With a massive 16K resolution display and extremely precise XY accuracy, it produces models that look incredibly sharp, almost injection molded level clean. But the real magic is in how consistent it is. The advanced light system ensures even exposure across the entire build plate, which means fewer failed prints and better reliability overall. It's also packed with smart features, AI monitoring, automatic leveling, and a heated resin tank that keeps conditions stable during long prints. And with faster release mechanics, it doesn't just print better, it prints faster too. Of course, resin still requires cleanup, which might not be ideal for beginners, but if your priority is next-level detail, this is easily one of the best options available right now. Next up, Creality K1 SE. The Creality K1 SE proves you don't need to spend big to get serious performance. This is one of those printers that completely over-delivers for its price. Built on a Core XY system, it's designed for speed, and you'll notice that immediately. It moves fast, accelerates quickly, and still maintains impressive print quality. What makes it even better is how easy it is to use. Auto-leveling takes care of calibration, so you can skip the frustrating setup process and start printing right away. It also handles multiple filament types without issues, thanks to its direct drive extruder and high-performance hot end. Whether you're printing standard materials or experimenting with flexible ones, it keeps things consistent. For anyone entering 3D printing or upgrading to a slower machine, this is a serious value pick. Moving on, Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo is easily one of the most approachable 3D printers right now, but it still feels incredibly advanced. Everything about this printer is designed to make your life easier. Setup is quick, calibration is fully automatic, and the interface is simple enough for anyone to understand. But what really makes it stand out is its multicolor system. The AMS light allows smooth, clean color transitions without the usual hassle, and the results look surprisingly professional. It also adjusts extrusion in real time, which helps maintain clean edges and smooth surfaces, even during complex prints. And thanks to its quiet operation, you can run it almost anywhere without it becoming distracting. It's the kind of printer that removes the learning curve and lets you focus on creating instead. Next, Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo. The Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo is built for users who want a balance between precision, speed, and flexibility. This machine runs on a Core XY system with dual motors, giving it the stability needed for high-speed printing without sacrificing quality. And it's fast, really fast, but unlike many high-speed printers, it doesn't fall apart when it comes to detail. Advanced compensation systems keep surfaces smooth and reduce vibration artifacts. It also supports a wide range of materials thanks to its high-temperature hot end, and built-in filament management features help prevent common issues like tangling or moisture-related failures. Add in its multicolor capabilities, and you've got a printer that's ready for both creative and technical projects. Up next, Creality K2 Plus Combo. The Creality K2 Plus Combo is where things start getting serious. This is designed for users who want more than just a hobby machine. It's built for scale, speed, and advanced materials. With a larger build volume, you can print bigger models or multiple parts in one go, and when paired with its multi-filament system, it opens the door to complex multicolor designs without manual work. Performance is another strong point. High speeds, fast acceleration, and a robust frame make it reliable even during long print sessions. It also comes packed with smart features like AI monitoring and advanced sensors, giving you more control and fewer failed prints. It's not the simplest printer to manage, but for the right user, it's incredibly powerful. Finally, Prusa CORE One. The Prusa CORE One is all about consistency and long-term reliability. This is a printer built for people who don't want to deal with constant tweaking. It arrives ready to go, fully tested and optimized for accurate results right out of the box. Its rigid frame and Core XY motion system deliver excellent precision, while the enclosed design helps maintain stable conditions for more demanding materials. Cooling is well optimized too, allowing for clean details even on complex geometries. And with its software ecosystem, you can control and monitor prints remotely without hassle. It may not be the flashiest option, but when it comes to dependable, repeatable results, it's one of the most trusted machines out there. Wrapping it up, 3D printing in 2026 isn't just about making things, it's about how fast, how precise, and how easy you can make them. If you want extreme detail, resin still dominates. If speed matters most, Core XY machines are leading the way. And if you want simplicity with powerful features, newer smart printers are changing the game completely. At the end of the day, the right choice depends on what you're trying to create. But one thing is clear, these printers aren't just tools anymore. They're full production machines sitting on your desk.